So we all know the importance of the reliable communication for mobile robots.
Yeah, exactly.
And we also know that customers, when they introduce mobile robots into their process.
Yeah, absolutely. So when we start with mobile robot projects at customers, we always start with one robot. So just to imagine, to test a little bit with the mobile robot. But if they realize the benefit, they will increase the fleet. So means more and more communication, and the connectivity is very important for that.
Understood, Sven. Now, can you tell us a little bit more, what is the future of mobile automation and what is the role that 5G private wireless plays on that?
At Omron, we want to improve not only the robot, but also the fleet management. Means that we integrate artificial intelligence or machine learning algorithms. And the base for that is collecting data. And that's the most important thing. More and more data from sensors and payloads mean we can use algorithms that realize predictive maintenance, for example, that realize that the fleet gives us a signal that says, hey, something is going wrong here, just have a look at this or this or this robot. And the base for all of that is, of course, reliable communication.
That makes me think about additional features that an AMR can have. For example, 4K cameras or different types of sensors. We know that an AMR can collect a lot of data. And imagine with 5G, with a private wireless, you can have all this data transmitted to the edge of the network with a very low latency and very reliable communication. And this data being processed with analytics, machine learning, and even artificial intelligence. All this data can be used. And with that, you can even improve and optimize, for example, the routes or the performance of the robot or the fleet of robot as a whole.
Yeah, exactly.
Very interesting, Sven.
Absolutely.
So it was great talking to you today.
Thank you, Guilherme.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye-bye.